everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another video on the P38. Today, this has happened. We've put the headliner in, so we got this out, scraped it down, painted it as we normally do with some textured paint and put it back in, and it looks pretty good. Obviously we ain't got the trim on there yet, but once that's in, this is going to look really nice. First time we've took a P38 one out, but there's a bit more to it than the Discovery ones, but we have done tons of Discoveries and not so many of these, so there's a box that has to come out there that gets in the way to get it out. Couple of door and couple of handle grabs at the top there, and your A, B and C pillars have to come out, and your interior lights and things, but not too bad to be honest for this one, and it's come out really good. It's a really nice finish on there, so that's been done. The other thing that's been done is wheels. We've refurbed the wheels in wheel silver, so that looks great as well. It's going to freshen it up and make it look really good. And we've body coloured the grille and under the lights where the wipers fit, which just brings it a bit, makes the car look younger. If you add some clear indicators, it'd look a lot younger. Maybe a body coloured bumper, the panels there and they'll make it look a bit nicer as well, but we feel like this is enough. It looks good, so I'm happy with that. As you can see, the inside has to sort of be torn to pieces to get this headliner out. Another thing we've done is found the code for the radio, which was behind the sun visor up there. So we put the code for the radio in, that now works, and also the CD changer is also working as well, so that's good news. The sat nav, we found that that's not plugged into anything, so, and there's no plugs to fit it in there, so we can't really do nothing about that. We're going to have a look into it, and the next thing we're going to do on the next video, maybe on this video, but we're going to plug it into the OBD reader, the Hawkeye, and we're going to read any codes, because now we've got the fuel right as far as we know, we've got it running well with the gearbox change, and we started on the cosmetics. The rest of the car is in really good nick, so this isn't a massive job on this one, hopefully. But yeah, you can see there the seat belts do have to come off, and I'm just held on with a 17mm nut, which is part of sort of the seat belt clamp, and then there's a little cover that goes on. So I can't touch it at the moment because my hands are filthy because I'm fixing bikes, but it's coming together. I'm happy with it. We can't wait to get a wash on it and get a polish on it and make it look as good as it possibly can. And this one is going to look good. It is going to look good. I mean, they always end up looking good, like this, like the disco we've got here. That looks great. We always try to do the best job we can on them and make them look nice. Save another one from the scrapyard. That's what we try and do. We don't want to scrap them if possible. It's a nice hobby, and nice cars come out of it and stay on the road. I've got a new camera, so the next video will be on the new camera that isn't all blurry and smashed to bits. So please like and subscribe. We've got 1,000 subscribers now. It's going up every day, so I'm hoping that the channel is going to grow. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Alright, some of the bits are going in now. You can start to see what it's going to look like. We've got to glue that up there because somebody glued it back up there in the past.
I'd glued it, it's just come off again.
We're going to do something with this on the sunroof as well there, that baggy bit, because obviously that looks terrible once the roof is done. But we've got all the handles going on, so it's starting to come together and being close to finished. Oh, we've took this apart, so the door lock actuator's in there. You can see it's out of there. And bought another one off eBay for 30 odd quid. So when that comes, we'll put that in, and then that door will work as well. So then all the doors and all the windows will work, and it's only going to be sort of the sat nav that I doing what it's supposed to be. Everything else is going to work. Can't shut that because I got a thing in it.